What if you could have a cinnamon roll? Soft vanilla cake, sticky cinnamon swirl, and a sweet glaze in 60 seconds. No eggs, no dairy. For best results, microwave for 60 seconds in one go. Don't stop and restart halfway, as that can make the texture gummy. And there it is, a soft vegan cinnamon roll mug cake made in just 60 seconds. Warm, fluffy, full of cinnamon sugar, and finished with that sweet glaze on top. No yeast, no oven, just one mug and a few simple ingredients.